Good day everyone. For today's video, we're going to solve another problem. A rectangle has a width of 9 and a diagonal of 41. What is its perimeter? To solve this kind of problem, the first thing we need to do is to illustrate the situation. So, we have a rectangle where the width is 9 and the diagonal is 41. Meaning we're looking for the length. Okay, to solve this problem, we're going to find the length by applying the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where a is equivalent to length squared plus b equivalent to width squared and c is equivalent to diagonal squared. Okay, so applying we will substitute the values. So we're looking for the length. So our width is 9. So 9 squared is equal to, our d is 41 squared. Next, 9 squared is 81. And 41 squared, let's see, 41 times 41, we have 41, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 4 is 16, so we have 1681. So we have 1681 as the square of 41. Then we will apply the addition property of equality. So by adding negative 81 both sides, so we have cancel. L squared is equals to 1,600. It's 1,600. Okay, next we're looking for the L, so we need to square both sides, get the square root of both sides. So cancel. So we have the length is equals to the square root of 1,600 is 40. So the length is equal to 40. Now, we will look for the perimeter. So perimeter is the total length of the sides. Meaning, perimeter is equal to length plus width, or equivalent to P is equals to 2 length plus 2 width. Or we can rewrite this as perimeter is equals to 2 times length plus width. So any equation from these three can be used in finding the perimeter. So we will use the P, the third equation. So perimeter is equals to 2 times our length is 40 and our width is 9. Next, 40 plus 9 is 49. And 49 times 2 is equal to 96. 98. Okay. So therefore, the perimeter is 98.